Decoding Idioms, Weigh Your Options. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very common but intriguing phrase, weigh your options. Understanding idioms like this one can not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of English communication. So, let's get started and uncover the meaning and usage of this phrase. When we say, weigh your options, we are talking about carefully considering the different choices or paths available before making a decision. Imagine you're holding a scale in your hands, and on each side, you place the pros and cons of each option you have. Just like in a balance scale, you're trying to see which side is heavier, or in other words, which choice seems better or more beneficial to you. The phrase, weigh your options, comes from the practice of using scales to measure weight, a method that has been around for thousands of years. In many ways, decision-making is similar to weighing things on a scale, as it involves evaluating the value or consequences of different choices. This idiom beautifully captures that process of evaluation and comparison. To help you understand how to use this phrase in real-life situations, let's look at a few examples. 1. Considering a job offer. Imagine you've received 2 job offers. One offers a higher salary but requires more travel. The other offers less pay but has great work-life balance. You'll need to weigh your options to decide which job to accept. 2. Deciding on a university. If you're a student applying to universities, you might have to weigh your options between different schools, considering factors like location, tuition costs, and the programs they offer. 3. Making a big purchase. Before buying something expensive, like a car or a house, you'll weigh your options by looking at your budget, the item's features, and how it meets your needs. Weigh your options is a powerful idiom that reminds us of the importance of thoughtful consideration and decision-making. Whether you're facing a significant life choice or everyday decisions, taking the time to evaluate your options carefully can lead you to the best possible outcome. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use and understand this phrase in your English language journey. Thank you for watching, and remember, learning idioms is a great way to add color and depth to your English skills.